7:30 on January 26th, 27th, 2014 as a little mini blizzard hits us. I mean, it's just coming out of everywhere. Absolutely bad out right now. Felger Road near Allen County, I believe, and this road is drifting pretty good. We're gonna try and get up to Washington Center here and see what we can get at. I can barely see. This road is down to one lane easily. It is just eerie out right now, right at this intersection. This Washington Center is usually a very busy road. As you can see, there's nothing. This road is basically impassable. There's just nothing to go on. We're gonna try to get up to US 33 up here and see what we can do. I might have to turn around before then, actually, if I can. I can't see where anyone's driveway is. Snow is just blinding me. It's ridiculous right now. Here's some whiteout conditions I cannot see. I'm gonna turn around right here. Travel's absolutely not recommended right now. This is insane. I don't think this video will do justice to how bad it is. I know once you look back at the video, you really can't tell how bad it is, but I mean, trust me when I say this, it's really bad out right now. I can barely see that mailbox. This will compare to some of the stuff I was in northern Canada easily. This is really bad out. I'm barely staying on with these tire tracks here. I may just have to get back to the US road if I even can now. I mean, I'm actually going into the ditch. This is just insane right now. We're still down Washington Center Road heading back towards Fort Wayne. I just had someone go off into the ditch. I just tried to help him out. We didn't have any ropes to get him out. Conditions are still very, very bad out through here. This is very, very bad out, and I can barely see the road. Matter of fact, I can't see it at all. I'm going off my radar here to try and see where I'm at and to try and get back to civilization. This is pretty bad. that's all I can really say. It's breathtaking right now.